Hello guys, my name is David, I'm the HeadStarter intern, and today I will take you through the process of getting KYC'd on the HeadStarter app so you can take part in all the private sale events, INOs, IDOs that we have. First off, I'm on the HeadStarter website and I can see here that my KYC status is not verified, but in order to get this, we have to go to the portfolio page. You will need to connect your wallet, so you can choose your preferred Hedera wallet. I'll choose my Hashpack wallet, which means you will need to have the extension on your browser. Then you can just input your password, and right now I'm pairing my wallet with the app. You can select your account and pair. Once your wallet has been connected, the interface will change, so you can then see if your KYC status is verified or unverified. In order to verify it, you can simply press on KYC. Here you will see a loading screen. Click this button. So here you will get a QR code that you'll need to scan with your phone in order to get the app. So here we are guys. I just scanned the code and I'll now go on the My Verify app on Google Play and I can just download it on my phone. Super simple, super convenient. Let's open the app. Now you'll need to input your phone number. You will get a code on your phone and here is mine. So now choose a way of doing your KYC. Either the driver license, the passport or the government ID are needed in order to complete the process. For me, I will choose the government ID. I will select my country and now you'll just need to scan your ID and your face. After scanning your document and taking 2 selfies, you will have this image. Thank you, your verification information has been submitted. We will only contact you if we require additional information. So now you have basically finalized everything that you need to do. It's that simple. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes. Now it might take more to be approved, but from your part you have done everything that you needed to do. Switching to the app, when it is verified, you will see the KYC status check, which means that the KYC has been verified. The KYC is done in a secure and fair way through Netki. We do not hold your information, nobody holds your information. It is just so we make sure everything is compliant from a legal perspective, and all the projects that come on HeadStarter are also vetted, doxed, KYC'd, so everything is done in a secure and fair manner for everyone in the community. Thank you all guys for your support and for your trust, and we will see each other next time.